Namaste, friends. While managing the mind in handling addiction, a very important thing that happens is the pulling of mind towards the object of addiction. It has been a habit so strong that doing away with it seems insurmountable. But is that true? Is that something that we cannot overcome? Yes, that can be overcome is the answer. There is nothing in this world that we can get addicted to and not overcome. So when mind is reasoning 100 ways to tempt us back to one or the other kind of addiction, then one answer from us, an internal answer, is that if I give in to it once, it will tempt me 10 times, a little bit more, a little bit more. And every time we give in to this internal desire to fulfill something that is not good for us, we lose confidence. Every moment we lose this confidence, we will never be able to take that leap of faith again. We will be stuck in it forever. Do we want that to happen? And when our self-control completes gives in and we give in to the addiction, we loathe ourselves. We blame ourselves. We feel powerless. Is that something where we want to see ourselves? If we show self-control now, then we can avoid this situation in the future. So having a forward thinking attitude as to, do I want to be in that situation when I feel helpless, or do I want to be in a situation where I am in charge of my mind and silence it the moment it is tempting me to give in to addiction? If we have that much control on our thought process, if we have the determination to apply it, then my dear friends, any kind of addiction can be overcome. All that you need is a will to overcome and the determination to stick to it. Namaste.